Hey team, welcome back. Today we are reading Passage C, The Couple. The old lady poured the liquid from the teapot. Steam rose from the cup as she filled it to the top. The man smiled as she pushed the cup toward him, then shouted in alarm as the liquid dripped down the side of the cup and on to his fingertips. It was the old lady's turn to smile. It happened every day. Questions. Why did the man shout in alarm? Was the event unusual? What is meant by the word alarm as it is used in the text? What was the liquid? What might be the relationship between the man and the woman? Now let's check the answers. Why did the man shout in alarm? Because he was burned or surprised by the hot liquid. Was the event unusual? No, it happened every day. What is meant by the word alarm as it is used in the text? In this story, alarm means surprise or shock. It's a noun. What was the liquid? We know that it is tea because it came from a tea pot. What might be the relationship between the man and the woman? Well, we can guess that they are husband and wife or that they are married because it happens every day, and so they are probably living together. Thank you for your time. How did you go?